Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lillian and this is African Foods with Lily. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for the support. Now, today I'm going to make jollof rice. Yes, I'm going to show you how we make jollof rice in East Africa. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So yes, I have my 500 grams of beef right here. You guys can use more or less. I'm going to add in some bay leaves, some onion. I used one onion here. Some green pepper and cinnamon, garlic cloves. Now all these you add them into. I also added in anise. I told you guys in the previous video I got anise from a Syrian shop and it's very nice. The flavors are insane. I added in a tablespoon of salt and stock cubes. Now we do this to create and build flavor for not just the beef, because this is the stew. We are going to use the stock for this to cook our jollof rice, so this is very important. Now you cover with foil and cook for about 1 hour. um 1 hour on you first bring to a boil and then let it simmer for 1 hour. Your beef will be fast very quickly when you use foil and cover it like that. Now we have our vegetables here, our ingredients, what we are going to use. The star of the occasion is bell pepper. Yes, so you chop your bell pepper nicely. You can cut them into cubes for to get them ready for the blender, as you can see guys. Now as we are chopping, please now I just love the rice dishes that we have in this world. Yes, because like rice is my favorite dish, and I just love how different they all are, yet they are all so delicious. Now yes, you cut 3 tomatoes in there. I also cut 2 onions right there, and cut them nicely to get them ready for the blender. Now yes, what is your best rice dish that you have tried out so far that's not originally from your country, and you have tried it out and you can't stop making it? Because I think jollof is going to it's right there after pilau. Please don't come for me. Yes, but jollof is right there after pilau, and as an East African, guys, this is really nice. But one day I plan on testing it, eating it from Nigerian. Like, I want to real test the way they make their jollof, because I don't know if it will still taste like mine. I doubt it, but I want to experience that. Now yes, you bring this to a boil after blending. Add it in a saucepan. Bring this to a boil until you don't see any water there. Yes, you put it aside. Now our beef is also ready. I told you guys, you use foil and this beef will cook very fast. And you just have to make sure that you're slow cooking it, you're simmering it. Yes, so these are our ingredients. As you can see, we have some tomato paste there, we have some stock that we are going to use, a lot of ingredients. Please check the description to see the ingredients. So in a pan, add some oil in there, and you cook your beef. As you can see, it's golden brown. Please try to use high heat. When you use high heat, it will crunch up on the outside, but it will still be very soft and tender on the inside. Yet if you use low heat to brown this, it will take all the moisture out of the beef, so it will be chewy and hard, and we don't want that. So yes, you reduce oil and then add in 1 big onion. I used a white onion here, and I added in 3 cloves of garlic that I grated earlier. So yes, I'm using 3 tablespoons of tomato paste in here. Now you cook this nicely, and then you add in our pepper mix there. I think it's pepper mix, yes. Yes, so you're going to cook this for at least 5 to 10 minutes on yeah, medium high heat, and you cover it to let it come to a boil. So okay, now let's add some more flavor in our sauce. You add in 3 bay leaves, add in half teaspoon. Remember there is salt in our stock that we are going to use, so add in a half teaspoon of salt here, and you will be checking gradually to see if the salt is enough. Okay, so you add in a teaspoon of cumin and paprika. It's according to the amount of food you're going to cook. If it's more, then you can use a tablespoon of your favorite spices. So yes, get your rice. I think if you're making jollof, basmati rice, anything, honestly, basmati rice is the best. Now you wash it 3 times until the water is clear. You add it in your sauce, the that you just pepper sauce that you've just mixed there, and you try to blend the rice and the pepper sauce. You add in your stock and also add in a bit of water. Now the thing is, you don't have to use a lot of water when you're cooking this rice, otherwise it will not come out well. So as soon as it comes to a boil, please cook this on medium heat. You add in some I added in a teaspoon of thyme, dry thyme, and a teaspoon of basil. Yes, this rice is really flavorful. So get your foil. I double layered with foil here, and you cover and let it cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes on a very low heat, simmering. Now this is how my rice turned out. At this point it wasn't yet dry. I was mixing it to make sure that yeah, it's okay. Yes. So serve it up and let me know my now for my West African brothers and sisters, please let me know how you fluff this up, because I tried, and yes, next time I want it to be really fluffy, but it was so delicious and so nice. Now you can serve it up with your beef. If you are a fanatic of kachumbali, please go ahead. I'm sure kachumbali will also work on this one. Yes, as you can see, our meat is very soft, very soft and tender. The rice is very nice. I'm telling you, I am I am having a time of my life here. God bless you all. Ciao. See you in the next recipe.